while we still have enough light, going to make a Canadian patty melt. And we are going to try to get a head start on our potato crowns. So we will put the potato crowns in the oil, let them get going, and come back out with the patty melt. Stay tuned. To the griddle, and okay. So now we're going to put on our burger, and that won't take long. We're going to saute some onions, since this is a patty melt. Can't have a patty melt without onions. And I'm going to experiment a little bit on this, and maybe some future Catio cooking videos about cooking for one. Because some of the recipes we've done in the past feature bigger portions, and there's just me here on the Catio in West O, so I'm going to feature maybe some cooking for one. Well, we season these hash browns again. The burger has been seasoned with a seasoning that my friend makes, which is garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and salt and pepper. And I highly recommend that you try it. To caramelize these onions, let's try some more stuff. Those are looking good. We are going for an ideal temp of 165. No ways to go. I'm going to flip this burger again. While these onions caramelize. Spread some more butter, because you can never have enough butter. Get the Texas toast ready. These onions are just about much better. Well, that needs to go on. Oh, that's perfect. A little bit more butter. We'll flip these. Oh, look at that. I'm going to take the onions off. go. That is getting there. That's for sure. I don't want to make a smash burger out of it now. Toast is ready to go. The burger, however, is not. Put the burger on this nice red cheese. It's going to take some editing. There's some cheese. Put our onions on top. And there we have our yummy, delicious Canadian patty melt. Thanks for joining us on the Catio as the light is about to fade out here. We will see you next time. All right.